Hi, I'm Shreya, HR Manager Advisor. So, if you're watching this, you're either about to start your journey with us or you're curious about how we welcome our new team members. Well, let me tell you, onboarding advisor isn't just about settling in, it's about diving in, adapting fast, and making an impact from day one. We believe that great teams aren't built by chance, they are built by clarity, execution, and shared drive for excellence. That's where our onboarding isn't an orientation. It's a 6 weeks roadmap to success. You might be wondering how we ensure that every new hire gets up to a speed quickly without feeling lost. That's where our structured approach comes in. At Visor, we don't just throw information at you. We expect you to figure it out. We track everything to an Excel format where your tasks are laid out week by week. This way, you always know that what's expected and can see your progress through it. To make things even smoother, we have a daily check-ins and checkout. Like every morning, I as an HR will connect with you to go over your task for the day and the evening. We review your progress and provide feedback. This isn't about tracking work. It's about making sure you always have support, guidance, and clarity you need to success. The goal is simple. We don't just want you to just complete the task. We want you to understand the impact of the work, adapt quickly, and feel confident in your role. And trust me, by the end of the 6 weeks, you will see the difference. Let me show you how a 6 weeks looks like. Your first week is all about setting the essentials, set up a getting comfortable with how things work here. But don't worry, we don't believe in wasting time. From day one, you will have access to all the tools you need from email, Slack, Jira, Razorpay, and all other internal resources. And it's not just about the tools. We'll also meet your team, understand the workflow, and get a deep dive into your domain. Whether you are a full stack developer, meeting with the QA team, or a product manager reviewing your PRD, you will start connecting the dots between what we build and how it comes all together. Now that you know the basis, let's talk about something important, why your work matters. At Visor, we don't just execute tasks, we understand the bigger picture. In week 2, you will learn about Wise's vision, market position, and a long-term goal. You will see how the feature we build impact users and drive business growth. Full stack developer, for example, won't just write a code. They will understand how their work improves the user experience and contributes to the company's success. By the end of week 2, you're not just here to work, you're here to innovate and make a difference. All right, enough talking. It's time to get to work from week 3 to 5. You will move from learning to doing. You will start working on real projects, solving real problems, and getting hand on experience. For the week 3, you will work with a technical product manager, fixing bugs, improving features, and contributing like an experienced team member. By week 4, you will take a bigger task, collaborate across teams, and start working with a minimal supervision. By week 5, now it's your time to shine. You will take full ownership of the work, handle challenge proactively, and show that you are ready to be a key player at Visor. Here comes to week 6, the final test. And now, the moment of truth. This is when we evaluate everything you have learned and delivered. Your performance will be reviewed based on the clear scoring parameters, not just your technical skill, but also your ability to solve problems, take ownership, and stay resilient under pressure. Because at Visor, it's not just about doing the job, it's about thriving in high performance environment. So you might be wondering why we do all this? Because onboarding isn't just about joining a company. It's about integrating into the culture of clarity, execution, and growth. As Jeff Bezos once said, we are stubborn on vision, we are flexible on details. That's exactly how we approach onboarding. Clear goal, structured execution, and dynamic approach that ensures you succeed. By the end of the 6 weeks, you won't just be familiar with Visor, you will be a part of it. You will be a problem solver, an action taker, and someone who truly ready to scale with us. So if you're starting your journey with Visor, welcome on board. Get ready for the 6 weeks of learning, growing, and delivering real impact. We can't wait to see what you bring to our team. And if you're someone looking to join us, hear what you need to know. Visor isn't just a place to work, it's a place to build, to take ownership, and to make things happen. Think, you're ready? We are hiring. Let's build something incredible together.